Robinson Brothers Limited has been at the forefront of the chemical industry for more than a century, developing and manufacturing molecules for a wide range of markets across the world.
We are specialists in what we call hydrogenation, high pressure hydrogenation, but also coupled with that, we also offer carbon disulfide chemistry. That brings us into pharmaceutical, agrochemical, food and beverage, flavour and fragrance, specialty rubber, latex, and the electronics industry.
Innovation in both products and business management is key to the continuing success here. Robinson Brothers are currently working with partners to move from batch to continuous manufacturing, utilising continuous flow chemistry.
If we manufacture in continuous, what we'll find is that we get better yields, better quality, better throughput, more consistent quality. This type of technology will revolutionise manufacturing at Robinson Brothers.
Robinson Brothers works with different universities to nurture new talent through placement programmes.
They come into industry for 12 months on a full salary and pick up many technical skills, but more importantly they mature tremendously by working with trained professionals.
It's also keen to support apprenticeships as another way to bring young people into the business.
Mentoring plays a big part at Robinson Brothers, as I've been mentored in the past and now I'm mentoring younger people.
The company prides itself on excellence in chemistry, investing in people and innovation, so that its rich heritage has an equally promising future.